where do I need to shift my mindset? So it becomes from this place of curiosity as opposed to self-judgment and criticism. When it comes from self-judgment and criticism, it's because we think that we should be here. And in reality, we're like, I should be here, but I'm here. And we look at this gap and we're like, see, I'm failing, as opposed to going, actually, I used to be here, and all I need to look at is having my sights set on where I want to go and constantly be taking steps forward. And when I notice that I'm coming up against resistance and challenges, I don't make that mean something. I don't make it mean that I'm failing. I make it mean that, like, okay, I'm coming up against a challenge. This is really frustrating me. How do I work through this? How do I continue to actually make progress here?